Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are achieving this beautiful yet so easy twisted updo with a bang. Okay, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. All right guys, so okay, first of all, you need to make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads from me. Make sure you have your notifications on and all that good stuff. Okay, all right, so we're just gonna get right into the video guys. So as you guys already know, okay, I'm gonna be using my Eco Style Up gel. You guys already know the drill, the olive oil Eco Style gel, and I'm just gathering all my hair and putting in a ponytail. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a brush and brush my hair and just gathering it all and brushing and putting the gel at the same time. Okay, right, so make sure we get the kitchen and everything is nicely brushed. And I'm not using a ton of gel, guys. I hate using a ton of gel when I don't need to. Okay, so you know, that way if I don't do that, I feel like I can style my hair so many times on it, okay, without having to wash it because I don't have any flakes and all that stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna do that, and when I put the hair in a hair tie, I'm just gonna twist it just to make sure that the hair can attach easily and it's also protected. Okay, all right, so to give it that sleek, I'm gonna be using this touchdown edge control. You can use any kind of edge control gel. You can just use Eco Style gel. You can use anything that works for you. Okay, any jam, anything that works for you. I'm just gonna put that on top just to give it a little bit of more of a shine and further sleek the hair. Okay, that's all I'm doing, and then I'm gonna go back with the brush to brush the hair. Okay, and we just making sure that our hair is nicely laying. It's laid to the gods. No, I'm just kidding. But okay, so we're gonna get this silk scarf and tie it around, and I had this on for about 30 minutes, I believe. And yeah, you know, go ahead and do your business, do what you gotta do. You know, it takes different times for the hair to, you know, get laid and whatever, so you can keep it on as long as you need to, or you don't even need to go for 30 minutes. 10 minutes good for you, 5 minutes, do what you gotta do, girl. All right, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so it's three packs of hair in one. Okay, all right, so this style, you can use any braiding hair. You don't have to use a crochet braiding hair, but to me, I just wanted to show you like an easy option to do this hair. That way you don't have to like twist each hair for you to have a twisted bang. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna attach that, the first pack, okay? And then I'm gonna create a bang with this. So this is where you would be attaching the braiding hair or weave or whatever the case that is, and then you'll be twisting it. But we don't wanna do that, you know, guys. We always try to find an easy way to achieve this style, okay? So we're just gonna attach that and, you know, create a bang like so, and then I'm gonna use bobby pins to secure the hair. Okay, and you just want to make sure you twist the rest of the hair around the band that you have, you know. And I just wanted to point out some things, guys. If you're doing this hairstyle and you want to do this method, I would advise for you to get the really thick crochet hair, okay, because this is not as thick as I wanted it to be. The thick ones are not really thin at the end, so you know what I'm saying. And also it can be longer, okay, because I searched Amazon, my beauty supply stores, I just couldn't find what I was looking for, so I had to settle for this one. Okay, but yeah, if it's thick and it's long all the way, you don't have those thin ends to worry about, because I had to make sure that I secure my hair so well that way it's hiding, because we didn't want to be seeing that. Okay, so just wanted to let you guys know. But if it's long enough, I think you can make it work. Okay, so we're just securing with bobby pins, because you know that's what we do. We gotta secure the hair and make sure we're not only securing, but we're also making sure that it looks nice. Okay, All right, so I'm gonna take the remaining two, and if you guys want to take away the little thing that holds the hair together, you can do that. But it will take a long time for you to add hair ties, so you just have to make it work that way you're hiding it, okay? Because we don't want to see the gold. But hey, if you have time, you can do that. But I honestly didn't have time to do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and wrap the other hair around, okay? And you're just gonna work with your hair, use bobby pins, use whatever way you can do to just make sure that, like I said, the thin ends were really bothering me, and that's one thing I didn't like about it. But I just squeezed it. I think off camera I made sure that I went back in and just make sure that I tie it that way it's hiding, okay? You're gonna see in a little bit to see how I got the end, okay? Because I think I made sure like all the thin ends were like at the back, because I was not feeling this in front at all, okay? So yeah, bobby pins are your best friends. We're gonna work with your hair, work around it, make sure it fits you, fits your hair shape and all that good stuff, okay? All right, so I went, did my makeup, and I fixed the bun a little bit more, and I ended up using these bobby pins that are a little bit more open because that worked better. And just want to make sure that you're hiding the top of your hair, because we don't want to see your natural hair. So I made sure that I did that as well, okay? And I think that's it, okay? Obviously, without we have to do this before we leave, because this is a bridal look. You can rock this hair anywhere you want to, okay? It doesn't have to be a bridal look, but I was specifically going for a bridal look just to show you guys an easy way to have a twisted updo, okay? So this is what we're rocking. I got this from Amazon and she's finished, okay? We added some earrings, okay? And that was it, guys. That's the look, and I'm loving it, okay? It's so cute, yes, so easy, and it's sexy, okay? Okay, so this is the back. I just made sure that I tucked the ends in the back, and I made sure that the thin ends are in the back, and then the thick part of the braiding hair is in front. All right, so I'll put all the info in the description box. Like I said, guys, you can find this hair on Amazon or your local beauty supply store, any like crochet twist, and these are large, okay? The bigger the better. All right, okay, guys, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.